Assalamu alaikum. This is Iftikhar Ahmed, your computer teacher. Today our topic is artificial intelligence, the fifth generation of the computer, which started from present to beyond. Regarding the first to fifth generation, the rest of the four generation, the first one, the second one, third one, and the fourth one, I have spoken in my previous class. You can watch in my YouTube channel. So today our topic is the fifth generation of the computer, which is based on the AI. The question is, what is AI? Which stands for artificial intelligence. To know the name as it sounds like. Artificial, that means something which is fake. Intelligence, that means the brain. So the fake brain. To understand what is a fake brain, what is artificial intelligence in the computer language. From the 1940, the computer was based on the vacuum tube, the later on the transistors, then the ICs, integrated circuits. In the fourth generation, the microprocessor came in the year 71. So this one AI, which says the present to beyond. So what is the present to beyond? The present to beyond, that means the computer which are under the development are called from present to beyond, the things which are about to come, the things which are about to launch. In artificial intelligence, what does a computer do? The term artificial intelligence is often used to describe machines or computers that intellectual functions that human associate with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. A program focuses on three cognitive skills: learning, reasoning, and self-correction. To make you more clear regarding the example of the AI, the artificial intelligence, it has been working in many fields. For example, if have been talking regarding the cell phones right now we have been using. For example, if we are using the iPhone or etc., the Samsung, which has the face unlock, the question is, how does a cell phone recognize the face? It recognizes through your face features. If the face recognition is okay, is guaranteed, your cell would be unlocked. Similarly, the fingerprint. Similarly, we have the eye contact. So we have also the face detection in a field of a security view. It automatically, the security cameras finds a particular face. You might have seen in the movies, like people, they are just going to find a person, what and where the person is going in the world. So a security webcam can also recognize the face. So face detection is also one of the features of the artificial intelligence. Not only the face recognition, as I told you, the biometric, the thumbprint, etc. also is one of the part of the artificial intelligence. So it can recognize. Similarly, if we have been looking over the hologram which was shown in a very earlier movies, that a human can talk with like a phone call. On a phone call, what we do on a phone call, we just hear the person, but right now we can watch through the video call. But the hologram is something else. The hologram, that means anything, any shape, not exactly a human, but whatever. It can be a car, it can be a person, it can be the medical field, the structure of a human body you can see over there. So this is the human body. A doctor can recognize, a doctor can find what inside the human head in the shape of a hologram. It will also help the teachers to guide their students with the help of the hologram. So hologram is also one of the feature of the artificial intelligence. But not only these things, if suppose we have been just looking forward to the further features of the AI, so we do have the auto balance bike or auto balance the cycle. You can see not only the bike balancing, but the cars we have been using right now are under control with the help of the AI. where a car can take you to the destination wherever you want to go. without sitting on the driving seat or without using your control. It will automatically will leave you at the destination you have just selected through the help of the application of a software and also the GPS. The question is, how does that car work? The answer is, that car is based on the AI, the artificial intelligence. In this car, the sensors are available which help a car to find, for example, there's another car opposite of you, the car will automatically drop down its speed, or speed breaker, it will make the car slower. It has ability to see whatever is there on the road on the basis of the sensors and the cameras available on the car. It can also recognize the stop signs. When there is a stop sign, the car will stop. When there is a human standing, the car will make a break. Here you can see a bike which has been made from Japan. The thing is, the bike, we already know, has only 2 tires, so it cannot be balanced itself. We need to make it balanced through the running of the bike. But now the AI has been inside the bike. It's an interesting thing, the new technology which has grown increasingly day to day. This bike, you can see, it can stand itself, it can run itself, so it is an auto balance bike, one of a feature of the AI. Not only this bike, but even the Google, which has just recently launched. What it has launched, a cycle, you can see. This cycle you are just watching can be controlled through the GPS into your cell phone in a shape of an application where you can control your cycle. It can run itself. Interesting thing is this, the unknown person might be very worried by watching this cycle that how it is working itself. The lot of people have just made the videos regarding this cycle or this features like a ghost which is running the cycle, but it is not true. It's a Google cycle. It also has the feature of a connection with the GPS where it can be controlled through your cell phone in a shape of a GPS. So it's an auto balance cycle. Is one of a feature of the AI, the artificial intelligence.